Can you imagine that for your chicken?
Nice.
Or your pork?
Nice.
Nice! See? Yeah, man.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Beautiful
nice
and
and thick and rich.
Yep.
Like one bowl of soup.
Drink it now. Yeah, man. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Rushy there, through the behind the cameras.
Hi, guys.
She's here. All right, guys. So today, we know it's a Christmas a come. Now in November, we know it's by next month, Christmas. We need all kind of sauce and things to put on the meat, on the ham, the chicken, all kind of thing. We have the perfect recipe here for you. Zin. So today we are gonna make a sorrel barbecue sauce. It's not just any normal barbecue sauce. It's sorrel barbecue sauce. We have to spice it up a little bit. Zin. And this is all of the ingredients we have. A little bit of ingredients. Everything you can find in the kitchen. I may always boast about that. You see it? Everything you can find in our kitchen. Alright? So starting off with the blender right here. So we have some tomato paste. You can use ketchup, but we are use tomato paste. Zin? That is 2 cups of tomato paste. By the way, all of the ingredients in the description, you're going to find everything, including how much cups, how much ounces, how much this, and I'm supposed to use.
Wow, so this episode, we're getting all the measuring.
Yep, okay. All of the measurements. Zin?
Wonderful.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to start from here. So as I said, these are the tomato paste, guys. This is brown sugar. We use brown sugar, right? This is the sorrel extract. So we have some of the sorrel flowers and everything in this. Yeah, man. Sorrel is a flowers. If you know. If you've
sorrel
never
is a flowers.
Yeah, it's a flower. If you never know. Zin, we have molasses. We have lime juice. We have Worcestershire
sauce.
Yeah, any way you want to pronounce that. Some Worcester something. Zin, we have vinegar here. And guys, in this plate we have from right here, so we have onion powder, we have garlic powder, we have black pepper, we have mustard powder. You can use a mustard as well, but we are using mustard powder. We have ginger, we have paprika, we have allspice, we have some scotch bonnet, grounded scotch bonnet, we have salt. Yeah, and that is all that is right
ingredients.
There. Yeah, man. So our method of doing it, we have all kind of methods. So what we are going to do today is just blend up everything in the blender first. Zin? So when you blend up everything in the blender, then we add it to a pot over here. So, and then we add the pot to the fire over there. So my friend is over there. He's blazing. You see him. Bright and orange. Bright.
The fire, yeah. Look up with the lava.
Oh. Don't keep it on. Oh, not keep it. Sizzler. You see it? Alright, guys. So, make kick it off like this. So, blender. I add all of them now. Oops. Gonna add this to blenders in.
So, we're adding the sorrel to the blender.
Yeah.
With the tomato paste.
We add all of the seasonings. All of the seasonings. See? And the main reason why we add seasoning to the blender, we want to blend out everything before we start the cooking process. So everything I go blend out nice and smooth and give you a uniform texture. See? Yeah. So lime juice we're gonna use, let's see, we're gonna use about half tablespoon of lime juice.
You wanna come through with the measurements, man?
Oh.
Hey.
Telling us I'm not coming with it. Don't rush it. And the Worcestershire sauce.
Spell it.
Worcestershire.
Spell it now.
No, spelling bee time now. Adding
Worcestershire sauce. What does that do though?
So that give it a kind of smoky kind of taste. Like, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can use other stuff again too, you know.
Oyster sauce?
No, not oyster sauce, but soya sauce. I use soya sauce instead.
So it's kind of like soya sauce, but
yeah, well, that is made up of soya sauce still. Yeah, there's some
Okay,
component of
just
soy
have
sauce.
a little
in that.
extra something. And the molasses. What's the purpose
And
of the molasses?
molasses.
Me
Some
never see somebody
molasses
put
give it
molasses in a
that.
sauce.
Yeah, give it some kind of sweetness though.
Okay.
Sweetness and give it that kind of dark. Well, not dark. That kind of deep caramel kind of taste. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's that right here. And one thing left we add now is vinegar. And vinegar in this sense, you know, say that give it that tangy kind of taste. So we're using
a lot of vinegar.
About 1 cup.
Okay.
Come through with the measurements. I mean, yeah, so we're not left out nothing, right? No.
Cornstarch.
So the cornstarch will go in. Well, by the way,
afterwards,
cornstarch. Yeah, cornstarch will go in last. So when it start cook down and everything like that, and it bubble down and nice, throw in the cornstarch.
Add a little thickness.
Yeah, just add a little thickness to it.
Okay.
So like I say, oh, we're coming along nicer, right? You can even use it at this stage too.
Have a nice color.
Yeah. So when you boil this now, when you cook it actually, it will get dark and all the flavors come out. So just check to see if everything is coming along as it should. I want everything blend out, you know, so just checking. So guys, our next thing again is, don't just take my word for it. Most of the ingredients are, a couple of the ingredients in this nice barbecue sauce is optional, of course. Alright, some of them you not have to add if you don't want. Right? But me add everything because me know what it do for me. You understand? Cool. Baby on board, baby and board. So guys, we're gonna add this to our blender now. We're gonna add this to the pot now. See? Yeah, man.
It look nice and thick already.
Yeah, nice and thick.
So you're saying that persons have the option of
adding, say for instance, cornstarch and stuff like that.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant like just using the sauce like this.
Yes.
Without boiling it first.
Without boiling it.
Okay.
It's optional.
It's a really nice color already.
Yeah, man.
Seeing the sorrel color come out.
So we're gonna put this on the fire. See? So that is going to cook for at least 10 minutes or so. And as this cooks, then that'll get thicker and thicker and thicker. So that's why I'm going to put in the cornstarch last.
Okay.
As it nears down the final leg. So you see how simple and easy this is. Nothing long, nothing complicated. And this will give you a good amount. And depending on how you use it, will last maybe maybe a month, 2 months, depending on how much you use it, how much you prefer to use. So guys, so this a boil for a while, and we're just throw in the starch, make it.
How long you suggest they boil it for?
About 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes.
So it's nice and red and pretty, guys.
Sorry, give it a nice color, man.
And then you add the cornstarch.
So the tomato paste red already, so give that a nice color. See it? So after you make this boil for 5 minutes now, then what happens? It get much thicker to the consistency you want it. So we allow this to cook so the ingredients can incorporate and cook and get nicer. Stuff like the onion powder and the garlic powder need some fire underneath it to cook it. And as much as some people don't really cook it still, no. Some people just blend it up, all of the ingredients, and just leave it at that. Me like cook it, we just get the nice little taste out of it. Alright? So when I cook some more now, we just take that off and make sure we could see how it look. So guys, remember the other video that is on the channel. Remember the pumpkin ketchup video. Go and go watch a video that is on.
No, as you say that Christmas is coming up, remind them to watch the sorrel video that you have.
Oh yeah, the sorrel video that is about from last year. Yeah man, we posted a video there last year, and that is an interesting take on the sorrel drink mixed with cucumber. So check out that video as well. So as Christmas draw near and thing, should give us some more sorrel products.
Or Christmas products. Can do eggnog?
Eggnog, sure, egg. But remember me is not an egg person either, so you know.
Why use not an egg person?
But just not like egg. Especially like if we drink it just like that. So you may not see the video there. Truly may do the video there. Truly can do it, right?
Sure.
Yeah, we promise that one there, so.
You know I promise a soul.
Yeah, you know I promise a soul, but I promise them for you. So you're gonna make a video based on
eggnog.
Your experience with eggnog. And maybe we can give them a rum
Christmas
cream video.
Cake.
A rum cream video.
Rum cake.
Rum cream. So come closer now to show you the difference with it.
How about Christmas pudding pan a coal stove?
Anything pan a coal stove. See it now?
Nice.
Guys, the fire out like crazy.
I burned my eye, that's why I step back.
My finger might burn off right now. Yeah man, so nice and easy. See it?
Finish?
Yeah, so as this cool, it's gonna get thicker and richer and nicer.
Richer. Hey. So beautiful.
So guys, this is how it looks. Can you imagine that on your chicken?
Nice.
Or your pork?
Nice.
See? Yeah, man.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Beautiful
nice
and
thick and rich.
Yep.
Look like one bowl of soup.
Drink it now. Yeah, man. So guys, this is how you make a sorrel barbecue sauce. And for other type of barbecue sauce, no link me up now, tell me which one you want to see. There's a lot of fruit that can be used to make barbecue sauce. So if you don't want pineapple or any other flavor, just link me up. Link me in the comment section and let me know what I think. You understand? So sorrel barbecue sauce, big bad and bold for no Christmas. You understand? Put it on no ham or anything you want to put it on. Nice! As I would say. You understand? So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribers yet. Build up the subscriber count. We want to reach 5,000 guys, so we're on a drive to reach 5,000 subscribers. So build up the subscriber count, guys. Build up the channel. all the people want to see the thing. And that's thing. Share the video them. Broadcast the thing, man. And you can broadcast with WhatsApp, on Facebook, anything on you feel like, TikTok. You understand? But get the video out, guys, and get the subscriber count up. You see it. Big up everybody who watch the channel, we are support, and it's good to be back. Feels great. You understand? Yeah, man. So, our next video coming out again. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Me know you subscribe. Thank you for subscribing and liking the videos, guys. Try the recipe. Look in the description. You will see all of them, all of the ingredients that we use, including the measurements. Alright? Yeah. So, Rushie Kitchen there with Rushie and Trudy saying, we're going.
Bye, guys.